Hello. My name is Sarah. I am a student and I love learning English. Today, I will tell you about my day. I used many different expressions. These expressions are very useful in daily life. Let me share my experiences with you. I will also give you many examples so you can learn and practice. Nonsense. This morning, my brother Tom said, "I will eat 10 sandwiches for breakfast." I looked at him and laughed. Nonsense. I said. You cannot eat that many. Tom tried to eat 2 sandwiches and gave up. We use nonsense when we think something is silly or not true. For example, if your friend says, "I will never do homework again," you can say, nonsense. You have to do it. If someone says, "I will travel to the moon tomorrow," you can say, nonsense. I also say nonsense when my little sister says she is stronger than me. It is a deal. My friend Anna called me and asked, "Sarah, will you help me with my homework if I buy you ice cream?" I smiled and said, "It is a deal." We met at the cafe and I helped her. She bought me chocolate ice cream. We use "it is a deal" when we agree to something. For example, if your friend says, "Let's meet at 5 p.m., you can say, "It is a deal." If your mom says, "Clean your room and I will give you a gift," you can say, "It is a deal." As a matter of fact. My sister Emma asked me, "Do you like chocolate cake?" I said, "As a matter of fact, it is my favorite dessert." She smiled and said, "Let's bake one." We use "as a matter of fact" when we give more information or say the truth. For example, if your friend asks, "Do you like music?" you can say, "As a matter of fact, I listen to music every day." If someone asks, "Are you busy?" you can say, "As a matter of fact, I am free now." Let's get to the point. In class, my teacher talked about history for a long time. My friend whispered, "Let's get to the point. What is the homework?" I agreed. We use "let's get to the point" when we want to talk about the main idea. For example, if your friend talks about many things, you can say, "Let's get to the point." If your teacher tells many stories, you can say, "Let's get to the point." Guess what? Today, I saw my favorite singer at the mall. I called Anna and said, "Guess what? I saw my favorite singer." She was so surprised. We use "guess what" when we want to tell surprising news. For example, if you win a prize, you can say, "Guess what? I won a prize." If you get a new phone, you can say, "Guess what? I have a new phone." I know what you mean. My friend said, "This math problem is so hard." I replied, "I know what you mean. It is very difficult." We use "I know what you mean" when we understand someone's feelings. For example, if your friend says, "I am tired," you can say, "I know what you mean." If someone says, "This food is not good," you can say, "I know what you mean. I am out of here." After school, I finished my work and told my friends, "I am out of here. See you tomorrow." We use "I am out of here" when we are leaving. For example, if you finish your work, you can say, "I am out of here." If a meeting is over, you can say, "I am out of here. I am easy." My friends asked, "Where should we eat lunch?" I said, "I am easy. Anywhere is fine." We use "I am easy" when we do not have a preference. For example, If your friend asks, what movie should we watch, you can say, I am easy. If someone asks, what time should we meet, you can say, I am easy. Once and for all. My little brother always asks, can I play with your phone? Today, I said, no, once and for all. He finally stopped asking. We use once and for all when we say something for the last time. For example, if your friend asks for help many times, you can say, yes, once and for all. If your sister asks for money many times, you can say, no, once and for all. I can't tell you how grateful I am to you. My friend Anna helped me study for my test. I said, I can't tell you how grateful I am to you. She smiled and said, you're welcome. We use I can't tell you how grateful I am to you when we feel very thankful. For example, if someone helps you, you can say, I can't tell you how grateful I am to you. If your mom cooks for you, you can say, I can't tell you how grateful I am to you. That was my day. I used many expressions. Now, I know when to use them. Do you use these expressions too? Practice them every day and you will improve your English.